Sometimes problems just look big, but they're actually small, and sometimes the solutions are small too. Presenting the world's smallest pocket washing machine, Godo from Haier. Running a family is big business. There are challenges and there are solutions. He's fond of driving, she's fond of mangoes. But it doesn't go well together. What goes together is this ultra-portable go-anywhere washing machine. All's well that ends well. But a kitty party is another day. People think I'm in vogue. I love it. As much as I love my favorite sambar vada. Never mind for the taste. But for the waste, oops! Well, they rightly say, good things come in small packages. And sometimes good things happen over a coffee. But not when the coffee is over you. Well, he knows. Keep calm and clean coffee. So here's your new life hack, the world's smallest washing machine that you can carry in your car, purse or even your pocket. Whatever a washing machine can wash, this can wash too. This is the precaution that gives you the cure. Anywhere. Godo, the handy washer from Haier. Haier, inspired living.